I'm like, where's the camera? I can't perform if there's no camera on you. They just think Crystal's some stalker.
No.
I need to report Crystal. These people are laughing. Because other people thought that was paparazzi after the film. Anyway, the main thing is we want to make sure this dog knows when we get to Tyson, in a new place, down. I got you under my thumb. And I lost my treat thing. You need to make sure and look between, because if it fell on the ground between the house and the... Anyway, these are the chicken, all through, these are the chicken meatballs. And we're going to take Tyson shopping for my favorite salsa. I love the salsa. They weren't here last week. I had to buy the salsa at Publix. It wasn't the same. So I'm going to make sure, if I want him to go down, we can start phasing out the, you know, the knee thing, but I can actually, even from here, down. I don't want to gesture with the hand with the remote in it. I want you guys to remember that. If anything, and that would be the tendency people would have to do, you would go like that. And the fact that it's got a lanyard on it probably doesn't help. You know, if at all possible, I want him going off my body line. You see how he watches me now, all through. Down. Anyway, Mike, he is doing fantastic. You know, and I'm ready. I've got my nick set on about 30. And you do have to be careful with him with his fur. You've got to make sure you're getting contact on there, because if he was to start to bark or pull any stunts, I would hit that nick immediately. All right, so let's warm him up a little bit. So right now, he's just kind of moving. Want him to start healing. Tyson, I'm going to use the name, and I'm going to, Tyson, heal. I'm going to add that turn down. So now I've gone from being, I don't want to just mumble a heal and then just sort of start vaguely walking along. But let me get my card ready so I'll have them ring up my salsa. Don't let me forget to get chips when we're at the store, because that's going to put a damper on the salsa. Tyson. I got to get my usual salsa. Down. Oh, you weren't here last week. I had to get the public salsa. It was terrible.
Are you spicy or not so spicy?
I got the spicy, remember? Oh, he's a beauty, this one.
Now, do you go out and pick them up and bring them out and bring them, or are those your dogs?
No. They leave them with us.
Oh.
Just love training for little monkeys. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Tyson. So I did go to my neck right here. Good. Pull them. Good. Little knee flex. Wonderful. So I'm really not, no, down. No foot stomp or anything. It's just a flex right there. And since the treat thing is lost, I have to put in my pocket, which is very awkward. Thank God I have these pants on. Tyson. Yeah. Just tell you right now, I'm not getting contact on my neck. I'm just hanging back right here. Heel. Down.
No oil, no sugar, no preservative, all the best.
Having it like a deja vu moment. Tyson. I don't know how, but I am. Heel. Deja vu all over again. 12 o'clock. Why you come here?
I don't know.
Hey, you come to sell, right? Hey.
I know, but
It's there.
I got tomatoes and I got peppers.
Yeah, well, and if you do jeans too, I have tons of jeans. I'll make the jeans for the top. Anyway, someone bought the Kelly character skirt.
Oh no, both of
We
them?
saw the woman trying it on. We can roll back the film. We can identify her. We can go to her house and say, "What are you doing?"
Well, you want to know something? I actually have color.
Yeah, I like. See, the Kelly character dresses in bright colors.
Oh no, that's a regular.
Kelly character can't wear that much white because the dogs get.
Do you do custom orders though? Do you do custom orders?
Well, but she takes denim and stuff, so we need to go through my
Right.
closets and find old jeans
Yeah.
and denim jackets that aren't getting used, so she can make them into stuff.
Right.
Oh no, girl. Shoot, we're just dropping the whole pile out. You do what you want. All right, you guys. We'll be right back. We're going to get one more dog, and I got to try the white skirt on because if not, if someone comes and buys it, well. All right, but can you take credit cards now?
Okay, that's like
OMG. Are you kidding me, girl?
I'm not ordering one. Worst case scenario,
Down.
like we did last year.
I know. That's what I like about it. Yeah, I guess you could just wear like white bike shorts under it.
That's what I was when I did it. That's what I thought it would be because you know they're wearing those see-through shirts, like the skirts with the see-through bottoms, like now. And I thought this would be so cute with just white boy shorts. I like those kind of the white shorts or just any kind of white shorts.
All right, guys, we'll be right back.